As a church, we have learned from the social media of the circulating information about Thogoto Home for the Aged. As a responsible church, we wish to state the following: that Thogoto Home for the Aged has been in existence for the last 50 years. We began the home due to our concern as a church to care for the aging members of the public who, for one reason or another, needed and continue to need such care. The home is run passionately by the Presbytery of Kikuyu with the support of the entire church, well-wishers, volunteers, and partners. As a church, we hold every member of the society with dignity, and especially those with any kind of vulnerability. We do not condone any unjust or inhuman treatment to any member of the society, whether young or old, and especially our senior members within the community. We have begun investigations over the allegations, and any misconduct will be dealt with according to our church procedures and in accordance to the law of the land. Pcea Church is against any element of ageism, and we are committed to the care of the old members of the community following the biblical principles and teachings. We are working with the concerned parties on the ground and NCCK to ensure that we do a thorough investigation, and we shall release the full findings to the public in due course. We need to make it very clear that those with aged members of their families housed at the Thogoto Home for the Aged need not to be alarmed, as their family members are well and safe. So that is our position, and investigations are on, and very soon we shall be able to release the full findings because we are committed also to dig to the bottom of this matter.